Hi, I'm Lynn and I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, simplest, cheapest way to produce your own baker's blade for scoring and slashing your beautiful homemade loaves. Now you've probably got all the bits and pieces in your house already, or they're certainly very easy and very cheap to get hold of. Now all you need is a bamboo chopstick, and of course you do need your blade, your double-edged blade, which you can get in the DIY section or the men's shaver section, but it's blunt at both ends and it's sharp on both sides. Now you might have seen heard or read that these are also called a lame or a grignette. Well, actually lame is blade in French, so this is lame, this is grignette, but also together they make grignette. But it's all sort of interchangeable, and some people just say lame even though it's just blade, it's the whole thing, so baker's blade. So all you need to do is this end of the chopstick will go through the gaps in the blade, but obviously it's tapered, so you need to get rid of that taper and thin it out. Now you can do this obviously with a nice little knife, so like a Swiss Army knife or a pocket knife, but also if you've not got one of those, if you've got a sharp vegetable peeler, you can actually do that with a vegetable peeler, and what you're aiming for is the length of the blade or thereabouts and the same width as the end all the way, so you can see it's sort of notched. And then once you've got that, take your blade, always pick up the blade from the two ends, that way you can't hurt yourself. Just do this very carefully, because that, although it's quite thin, it's not sharp, so always hold it that way. So you want to bend your blade, poke your chopstick through, and there you have your baker's blade. So take it off carefully again, just use the ends, and remember, store this very safely. I actually keep all my blades in this little metal tin. I've not got any young children, but of course be very careful if you have got young children in the house. Put it somewhere safe, somewhere that you can't sort of rummage around in the bottom of the drawer and pick it up, and so keep it separate from the chopstick that you've used, because otherwise you'll probably put your hand on them. But that's it. That's really easy, and it works as effectively as any proper shop bought pre-made grignette. So hope you have a go and tag me in at Ink Sugar Spice, and maybe try out some of the bread recipes on my website and have a go with your own baker's blade. Thanks.